Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden center. I popped back in B&M today. It is the Monday delivery day. It seems to be every other sort of Monday we're getting a bit more of the tropicals in. Not a huge amount in today, but there's a couple I'd like to show you. Just to start though, you can see here some of the standard bedding plants. Again, great deals on these, £3.50, and that's a 20 pack as well. So, you know, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck, if you will, with a lot of the bedding plants. Again, not hardy, just something you'd plant and use as a filler plant for now. Of course, down here, got the Salix again, still in, pretty plants. Again, these are the Integra Flamingo, and you can see those are coming in at just £10. Today I'll try and show you a little bit more of the other plants that are in here as well, just to give you an idea. You can see acers, loads of different types of acers in here, so you really got a great choice if you're looking for something for the garden. Just £12.50, good size on that as well, looking somewhere in the order of about probably 2.5 3 foot tall. So again, great bargain for the money if you're looking for that. Again, more acers here. You can see this Chamaerops has been here for a little while now. It does look really unhappy, but I know these are going on discount. This one's on for 100, and I know they're looking at putting a discount on that one. So if you're interested in that, by the way guys, this is the Colville store in Leicestershire, so if anyone's interested in coming to this store, certainly check it out. It's the one I generally go to. You can see bamboo pretty fried, down to about £15. Now with these guys, I wouldn't shy away from the kind of dead looking bamboo. My large green clump, if you've seen in my garden, that looked exactly like that 3 years ago, and you can see where it looks now. So absolutely worth it with the bamboo if you do know how to get it to recover. Of course, a good amount of water and in the ground is best for them, but certainly make sure you do your protection with them as well. Again, some of the more acers, and you can see guys, the heat in the UK has really just kind of fried these off at the moment here. Again, you can see with the bamboos, still got some of the variegated cordyline here, which you can see they're just £30. Some of the phormiums in the back, just £16.50. Good size on those. It looks like these are probably recent divisions. Again, you got Phoenix canariensis looking half dead down here for just £10. And as we come this way, again, just looking down, there is a small bit of bedding that's come in there. Nothing I don't think really worth kind of showing. Just in here as well, guys, you got the hydrangea. See, looking lovely in there, and those ones are just at £12.50 as well, so a great bargain on that side. Just coming around here, what I wanted to show you, again, you got to get daphnium, £6.50, still all packed up. We've got a new load of cannas in. Now again, if you watch the channel, you may see that it may be worth investigating these, but still good price, £6.50, in flower, looking lovely. Down here, got the Cypress permacanthus, you've got the Trensidetia brainstorm, again some other ones. This is the horsetail grass. This can be invasive, I have seen, so just something to bear in mind. Down here though, we've got a Blechnum spicant, so that would be kind of new in here. Got the Blechnum splenium, we've had these in, so hart's tongue fern. This one's quite cool to see though. You got Blechnum volcano for just £6.50. Now I believe this is the brilliensis, which comes out with lovely leaves. Not fully ground hardy in the UK, so just bear that in mind. Probably one you want to keep potted. You've also got the Chromatomium fortunei, and this one's interesting. It's very, very large. Cool little fern on that side, also known as your holly fern here. Got the Droptis aerosora. Now, I've got quite a few of these in the garden, and you may have seen lovely kind of orangey kind of color to them when they do come out. See, I've got these around my sort of jungle area in the garden. Just coming around here, just wanted to show you as well, as we come this way, got more bamboo on offer. Got some of the lovely lilies here, Asiatic, and these are just £4.50. So again, great little bargain on those. Taking a look, this is your kind of bargains aisle. Lots half dead here, but again, still got these here. Now again, I'm not hugely familiar with these, but again, on offer at the moment. You've got your standard grapevine as well. Again, these are on offer at the moment as well. Buxus looking a little worse for wear, and you can just see a few of the other plants here on offer. Again, something to think about. Coming down this aisle, you see you got your strawberries and tomatoes, 5 for £5. A great offer on these. Coming down here, roses looking a little bit worse for wear, but £15 on those. Again, the heat's really taking a hit on these. Got the hostas, lots of different varieties, £6.50 as you can see here. Brunnera, love these, great plants. I'd certainly recommend getting some of these in your garden, and the leaves get absolutely monstrous. Just down here, you can see some of the alpines, 4 for £10. Got your sedums and other alpines here. and just following up there. Coming back this way, got your cordyline red stars, £10. Also got some more of the hydrangea, as you can see, and just coming down that way. For the most part, guys, I would say that is a fairly good little mini tour of the B&M in Colville. You can just see here again more of the standard bedding plants, just looking down that way. One to show you here, just come down, is the coleus, £5. Really lovely size on that, great plant. But with that said, guys, if you are not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Try and get these videos out to you as soon as the deliveries come in, and so hopefully you guys will be sort of the first notified of any new plants and new things in store. If you hadn't checked out the friends of the channel, feel free to do so. They'll be in the comment section below. But of course, with that said, certainly if you are looking at gardening on a budget, looking to fill your garden for less, I'd certainly recommend checking out B&M, as you might be able to grab yourself a bargain here. But with that said, of course, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.